Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning Introduction to Python for Data Analysis. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages for data analysis due to its simplicity, versatility, and powerful libraries. This class introduces Python's fundamental concepts and explores its role in data analysis. Why use Python for data analysis? Python is a preferred choice for data analysts due to several advantages. Ease of use. Python's syntax is simple and readable, making it easy to learn. Open source and free, Python is accessible to everyone. Extensive libraries. Libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn make data analysis efficient. Scalability. Python can handle small datasets as well as large-scale data. Integration. It works well with databases, SQL, MongoDB, APIs, and cloud platforms. Community support. A large global community provides continuous updates and troubleshooting. Example of simple Python syntax for data analysis. Import pandas as PD. Hashtag creating a simple dataset. Data equals name Alice, Bob, Charlie. Age 25, 30, 35. Salary 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. df equals PD data frame, data. Print, df. This code snippet creates and displays a simple dataset using Python's Pandas library. Introduction to Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab. Before analyzing data, we need an interactive environment to write and execute Python code efficiently. Jupyter Notebook. A web-based environment that allows writing and running Python code in blocks, cells. Supports Markdown for adding explanations. Provides inline visualization for plotting graphs. Enables interactive data exploration. How to install and open Jupyter Notebook. Pip install Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Google Colab. A cloud-based alternative to Jupyter Notebook. No installation required, runs in a web browser. Free access to GPU and TPU for deep learning tasks. Supports collaborative coding, like Google Docs for Python. Opening Google Colab. Simply go to Google Colab and start a new notebook. Basic Python syntax and data types. Python supports multiple data types essential for handling data. Numeric data types. Int, whole numbers e.g., 10, 100. Float, decimal numbers e.g., 10.5, 3.14. String data type, str. Used for textual data, e.g., hello, world. Strings are enclosed in single, text, or double, text, quotes. Boolean data type, bool. Represents true or false values. Lists and tuples. Lists, ordered, mutable collections, 1, 2, 3. Tuples, ordered, immutable collections, 1, 2, 3. Dictionaries, dict. Key-value pairs, name, Alice, age, 25. Example of basic Python data types. Hashtag defining different data types. Age equals 25 hashtag integer. Salary equals 55,000.50 hashtag float. Name equals John Doe hashtag string. Is underscore employed equals true hashtag boolean. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry, hashtag list. Print, type age, type name, type salary. Understanding these basic data types is essential for data manipulation and storage in Python. Importing and exporting data, CSV, Excel, JSON, SQL. One of the most critical tasks for a data analyst is handling different data formats. Python provides pandas to read and write datasets from multiple sources. Reading and writing CSV files. CSV, comma-separated values, is the most common format for structured data. Import pandas as PD. Hashtag read CSV file. df equals PD read underscore CSV, data.csv. Hashtag write CSV file. df.to_csv, output.csv, index equals false. Reading and writing Excel files. Python supports Excel files through the OpenPix or XLRD libraries. Hashtag read Excel file. df equals pd read underscore Excel, data.xlsx. Hashtag write Excel file. df.to_Excel, output.xlsx, index equals false. Reading and writing JSON files. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight format used for web data. Import JSON. Hashtag read JSON file. df equals pd read underscore JSON, data.json. Hashtag convert data frame to JSON. df.to_JSON, output.json. Reading data from SQL databases. Python can interact with databases using SQL Alchemy or SQLite 3. Import SQLite 3. Hashtag connect to database. Con equals SQLite3.connect, database.db. Hashtag read data into pandas. df equals pd read underscore SQL underscore query, select asterisk from users, con. Conclusion. This class introduces Python as a fundamental tool for data analysis. It covers heavy checkmark why Python is ideal for data analysis. Heavy checkmark using Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab. Heavy checkmark basic Python syntax and data types. Heavy checkmark importing and exporting data in CSV, Excel, JSON, and SQL formats. Understanding these basics lays the foundation for advanced data manipulation in Python. Would you like hands-on coding exercises for this lesson? Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.